guys, welcome back to my channel, Aesthetics with me. So today I'm going to be doing a menu tutorial for a cafe theme because I posted a cafe theme tutorial for my last video. So yeah, here it is. And I just wanted to tell you guys that I changed my username on TikTok, so please don't forget. And here is my username. Now, that's my username. So please don't forget me. And yeah, that was kind of like the main reason of making this video, so I could just show you guys my new username. But yeah. So as I said, I'm going to be doing a menu tutorial. How to make a menu. Something like this. And yeah. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do, or I do, is I go into Fonto, select the camera button, and so I make the color of this black. Pitch black. Oh my god, it's so hard to see on. It's fine. Then I use the font. What's it called? It's called garlic salt. So I use that. Oops, oh my god. So I use that font. And Okay, and then you just move. And then I just duplicate it because it just makes it easier. Okay. Never mind. Okay, then I duplicate it again and I tilt it. You can also just use a font that has a box, but I don't know a font that has a box. I know garlic salt has one, but the box is like kind of thick. And I want it to be thin. And then I just kind of just adjust the size. And just move everything around. Okay, and then you can just, so after you, the line, oh my god, why doesn't this thing work? It's not working. Okay, yeah, so you just make the box. And then you can write cafe, whatever your cafe title is. I'm gonna do Cafe de Paris, because that's my cafe title. Oops. So cafe of whatever. And then you can just write your menu there you go. So after you write all your items that are in your cafe, I guess, you just use a font and you just put it there. Okay, let's make the size a little smaller. You can just make this however you want. You don't even have to make it a square. It can be a rectangle. Then you just write your username so people don't steal it. And you can write your name if you want to. Let's see, what font shall we do? Let's do this one. So you just write your name and your username if you want. Okay. This is very bad, but you get the point. Then you save the image. And after you save the image, what you are going to do is you're going to go on this app. It's called Eraser. Looks like this. And what this is going to do, it's going to turn the photo we just made into a sticker, so it's easier for you guys to put the menu on your video. So you press this little photo icon at the top. So you select your photo. Then at the bottom you press erase. Then at the bottom you press target area. So target area. Then you just kind of just press on the black. And then you have to zoom in and press on each individual. One little. Why doesn't this work? Okay. And you just have to make it like this. It's a very easy job, honestly. Oh, okay. We need to fix this. There we go. Done. Then you just save it. Now, to put it on your videos, I use VideoStar, but the way I do it is paid, so I'm going to show you guys a free version. So for the free version, you can either use VideoStar if you have the paid version, or you use this app. It's called VLLO, and it's free. So you go on it, and then this is how I edit all my YouTube videos. So like, yeah, you press create video. Then you, if like, say this is the video I just edited, click that. Then click this button at the top. Then click this little like phone thing. And then you click arrow. Now what you do is you go on to where it says that little button. So you click that. Then on the side there will be a bunch of like options, image, or like you could do any, whichever one you're trying to import. So I'm doing image. Then you select the menu you just made, and you just put it wherever you want. And you can just like, you know, just play around with it. And then there you go. You have your menu. Export, and it takes forever to save. There you go. New menu. See? Very nice, very nice. And that is basically just how you make a cafe menu thing. And yes, and I just want to remind you guys, I changed my username because I don't want you guys to like be like, oh yeah, where's my account? Like, I changed it. So here's the new username. Yeah, that's it for the video. Bye. I'll see you guys next time.